Hello everyone, you are welcome on this video. And this is actually you are seeing that Mica is Project Stress 2 product, and this is the uh, door lock system. And here you can see this software are made by the Manners Das, and the whole hardware level system or hardware are made or manufactured by Argadeep Devnath, and also the hardware R&D were made by the Argadeep Devnath. And here you can see this is the whole system of door lock automation system or door lock IoT door lock system. Here you can see this is the 12-volt DC in, and it is support actually maximum 6 ampere, means it is actually unit of 70 watt, and it is the power consumption is only 0 or less than 1 watt, and this is the outdoor unit switch. Because if this device is in offline condition or network become down, then you need to use this extended port. This is nothing, just this switch. Actually this is the configure switch, and this is the extension of this configure switch. And this configure switch, you need to push this switch, and after that you need to authenticate you using your ID and also password. After that you can unlock the offline condition. And another switch is the indoor opening switch, which is written in the open, and this is the config switch extension port, and the written is the config switch. This wire connector of this bottom section is actually we using for this unit a solenoid lock. And this solenoid lock actually which type of solenoid lock is need to use here. Actually the wattage, I'm just using this to a prototype, but those people who are wants to use this product, they can use the suitable wattage product on this section or on this socket or on this wire connector socket. And the wattage of this max wattage, I have already told about that, the 70 watt maximum power it can be handled by using our solenoid prototype. Let's see how to connect any type of solenoid lock, door lock, how to use on this Mica unit, or how to connect on this unit. Let's see. Those people who are going to install on the door, I'm actually recommending to use any multimeter to check the impedance of the solenoid. That can show you that this solenoid actually properly connected on this unit. Let's give the DC power on this product and check it is working or not. This is here you can see the solenoid is fully flexible. Let's push the indoor unit. Here you can see, and this indoor unlock switch working properly. Here you can see it is released the solenoid. Actually it is a analog time delay circuit. Let's push it again. Here you can see, here you can see a blue light also glowing when it is unlock condition. Let's see properly, it is unlocked. It is now unlocked, and it's locked itself again. Yes, it's working fine by using the analog circuitry. And let's see how configuration or works, or how we make the configuration on this system. This is a GUI or graphical user interface system. So anyone does not need any type of programming on this unit. A user can input like a router, input the SSID password, or means the Wi-Fi ID password or anything by using this GUI system. So let's push the config switch. Here you can see a green light is glowing, means it is in shifted from the Wi-Fi mode to hotspot mode. So you need to just connect any device from this hotspot, and need to configure this, or need to push the SSID password, your account details, etc. on this system. Let's see how we can configure this system. Every time I would suggest to everyone to make the privacy more secure, or make the voice more secure, you need to use incognito mode every time. So here you can see this is a Mica revision 1.1, Mica security revision 1.1. You need to just connect on this hotspot. This hotspot actually generating by the unit and by the green switch light. Here already you can see here. I just need to connect here. Just wait for a few minutes, and after that you need to written the IP or the gateway address 192.168.4.1, and after that hit the enter. Then you can see this login ID page. You need to log in this page by using your mail ID and the password. I'm just going to enter this login ID and password by my mail ID. It is actually in my mail ID and the password. I'm just going to change it is in the default mail ID, the official mail ID and the password. Here you can see it is open, and here you can see the unlock button. And this unlock button actually works in the offline condition when the network comes become down or no network available on this situation. So I'm just not going to press this. I'm just going to change my Wi-Fi settings. Here I can see the change the email address. Here there's a modify your settings and the all things here you can see. And I'm just going to change the mail ID uh, and the password first. After that, I'm going to change the Wi-Fi SSID and the password. I'm successfully changed my email ID and password. Here you can see the front page is coming again, means it is changed my the email ID and password has been fully changed on this unit. I'm just going to show you uh, by using login again. Here you can see this the light is actually glowing, and it means if you change any type of credential on this section or on this board, actually it does not shift it from the hotspot to Wi-Fi automatically. So you need to push the switch again to shift from hotspot to the Wi-Fi state. I'm just going to log in again. Now I'm just going to show you that how to use an offline condition. You need to just push the outdoor switch which is extended from the unit, and after that you need to just log in by using your credential. After that you need to push this unlock button on your GUI system, means the graphical user interface. And I'm just going to show you the clearly, very clearly, that here you can see that it is in fully offline condition. So here you can see this is my PC is in fully offline condition, means no network is present on my PC. And this is the solenoid. I'm just going to clearly show you that how it's work. Just a minute. I'm just going to set my tripod. Here you can see the unlock switch button on my laptop display. I'm just going to click on the unlock, and you can see the solenoid will work or door become unlocked. Let's change the SSID and password on this unit and test it on the internet. It is working or not. After configuration, any type of changes on the system or using the offline mode, you need to every time I'm recommending you need to off the config mode, or how to know that your config mode is a turn off condition. You can see your green LED not glowing. So let's see it is working on the Mica app or not. Let's put the new user ID as the password. The new user ID mail is the mycaofficial@gmail.com. You have already seen that I have changed on this unit, and the password is you can see something. Let's check on this box, because it helps to log in for a long time, and you press the submit button. Let's check that it is working or not. Here you can see my it is actually logging on the Mica app, and if I push the switch button on it, then the door become unlocked. Let's check it again. Let's turn off the Mica config switch. You don't need to. You need to remember that you need to turn off it, and let's push it. Let's go. Boom, it's working. Some delay you can see on this unit because it is actually it goes on the server of the Firebase. After that it's come on this Wi-Fi and it's working. So you can see a little bit delay on the Wi-Fi say or fiber unit, but you can see a lots more delay on the 4G network. But in 5G network may delay the become very less. At the last part, I'm just going to show you it have the screw mount section at the back side. Here you can see these two screw mount system. It is actually working, look like a router. So here is the fully no complexity to hang on the wall or hang on the door behind the door actually. So it's working, look like a router. Here you can see. So that's all.